Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you amazing health benefits of coconut oil. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. What is coconut oil? In a word, coconut oil is a body-friendly foodstuff that is heart healthy, great for oral health and other health benefits. Structurally, coconut oil is taken from coconut kernels. It is tasteless and colorless and is available for consumer usage in refined and unrefined coconut oil. Advocates call the coconut a superfood, but the evidence does not completely support the name tag, at least not yet. Composite-wise, coconut oil contains a cornucopia of fatty acid and proteins that hold antioxidant and provide myriad health benefits. It is rich in so-called medium-chain fatty acids, which are in great part comprised of caprylic acid, lauric acid, and capric acid. Approximately 60% of all coconut oils are comprised of the above three fatty acids, while 90% of coconut oil fats is comprised of healthy heart saturated fat. The latter figure is a high one and not one that is recommendable to many doctors. For example, 40% of the olive oil calories come from saturated fat and 63 of butter calories come from saturated fat. As a rule, nutritionists love medium chain fatty acids. Nothing that, among other advantages, they are easily digestible, and since they are processed by the liver, medium chain fatty acids are more effectively and quickly converted into energy and not fat inside the body. 10 benefits of coconut oil. There is a growing body of evidence that coconut oil offers some health benefits, both internally and externally. Number 1. A boost in good cholesterol. Coconut oil is said to modestly hike one's level of good cholesterol. Number 2. Good for blood sugar and diabetes. Coconut oil can aid in lowering obesity levels in the body and also battle insulin resistance, issues that often lead to two types of diabetes. Helps fight back against Alzheimer's diseases. The medium chain fatty acids component in coconut oil, especially its generation of ketones by the liver, aids in mending brain function in Alzheimer's patients. Number 4. Helps stop heart diseases and high blood pressure. Since coconut oil is so high in saturated fat that help boost HDL or good cholesterol to ward off heart disease and lowering high triglycerides. Additionally, coconut oil also perform a rather remarkable and heart healthy feat. It helps turn bad cholesterol into good cholesterol. Number 5. Aids in liver health. Coconut oil also guards against any damage to the liver and also aids in curing urinary tract infection. Number 6. Boosts energy. Unrefined coconut oil also hikes energy and endurance, primarily by its medium chain fatty acids shooting directly into the liver, which enables to be converted into energy. Number 7. Aids with digestion. Another benefit of coconut oil, it helps with food digestion by aid the body take in fat-soluble components like vitamins and magnesium. It also eliminates toxic bacteria and candida, which fights poor digestion and stomach inflammation. That helps prevent stomach ulcers. Number 8. Act as a salve for wounds and burns. Coconut is good for the skin, especially in the treatment of wounds, burns and dermatitis. It also acts as a sunblock and as a moisturizer for the skin, thanks to the two primary fatty acid and unrefined coconut oil, caprylic and lauric, and to its antioxidant component, which team up to reduce inflammation under the skin and promote better healing. Number 9. Act as an anti-aging component. Rich with antioxidant, coconut oil is known to slow the aging process, generally by curbing any undue stress on the liver. Number 10. Helps with weight loss. Coconut oil also can help with weight loss, as it acts as a fat burner and a calorie burner, especially with doses of unrefined coconut oil. It also acts as an appetite suppressant. One study showed that the capric acid in coconut oil help boost thyroid performance, which in turn reduces the body resting heart rate and aids in burning fat for an increased energy boost. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.